Oh, there goes the bulldozer here. Well, I went to the store and I got me what's called snowball. My mama used to like these things, so I've tried them a few times, but I don't know if you ever tried them or not, but they're pretty good. And then I had to go, I'm at my mom and dad's house, but I had to go to my house and get me a Sprite. I like Sprite every once in a while. And yes, I did get my hair cut, but it's so good. I didn't cut the beard though, but I did get my hair cut though. But anyway, if you never tried a snowball, you should give it a try. It's pretty good.